My name is Shane Saller, and I'm the Director of Maintenance here at Ploger Transportation. We've been using the hot shot since 2019. That's the everyday diesel treatment. In the beginning, we were sort of hesitant, about switching brands, but we switched with the hot shots, and after a couple of years, the owners wanted to see if it really did anything. So we stopped using it in our trucks. We filled all the jugs up with diesel fuel so the drivers didn't know the difference. And within a month, we seen a change. We started replacing injectors until we finally sat down and started analyzing the data we had and realized that it was because we stopped using hot shots. We immediately called in order to tote and been using it ever since. If you're replacing the injectors in the truck, it's about $5,000 just in parts. Then you add the labor onto it. It made sense for us to get the hot shots back and start using it again like we were. We have our own fuel tank here on site. Our fuel delivery guys, they add it in when they come in. They dump them in the hoses so it mixes. Each driver has a ammo box with 7 of the 4-ounce EDT bottles, and we dump half in each side of the truck when they fill up outside of the shop on the road. Here at Ploger, we're efficiency based. That's what we go off of. Everything's with efficiency. Fuel prices change daily, high, low, DEF prices. For us, anything we can do to help the efficiency of our truck is a great asset to us. And we believe Hot Shots does that for us.